Welcome back to the channel. Now I just have to take some surveys work on the 79 Pontiac Trans Am. See some spark plug wires, looks like shit in there, and the spark plugs maybe be the same. And yeah, just looking and see some other wires that I have to think about what to do with them too. So I just have to start. There's nothing else to do. In here since last I have been painting over this, was very bad, rusty and ugly. This one too was not nice, but now we have to start. See here, spark plugs, wires, it's just a mess, different colors, different wires. Yeah, I just have to start with taking off the air intake. Going out here, but it's more one open there, and then one vacuum pipe is coming here. Which one is that? Yeah, there's nothing more. Okay. The one under here was the one coming from there. I can just put it back. Who knows if this sensor is okay or not. Both of those are coming from the AC sensor here. This from there. The other one is open. Okay. This should have been cleaned up and painted. Some other things here, standing a lot of water. Should have got that one out. Where is it coming from? Don't have a clue. Some other vacuum. Yeah, some vacuum thing just closed off here. One is going out here too, but yeah, just have to look at different things here, but I think it's a lot of things, so it's not good here. You see the wiring coming from the system in the back is just, yeah, it's just a mess up. I loosen out the 4 bolts here just to see. Don't look too ruined, but it looks old. This is for the right hand side. I just have to change this shit. Let's see. Moving over the parts that was in here. Those connectors in there. I'm putting in the screws again. Now I put in a new rotor, so I'm just putting on the new top, all the electronics, and put over the wires, just to be safe that it's going to start. Don't take the chance of changing a lot of things and after find out you don't want to start. So it's starting easy. Yeah. Now I moved over one-on-one cable, so we have to see. Yeah, it's a lot of things I don't understand there. This one, where did it go? It's kind of like it didn't go to anything. All the vacuum lines, so it's a lot of mess. Why is this one split when you have one beside it? Don't understand. It's just, yeah, it's just wasted. This one I think was connected to something. It just did come off. I can't understand where it was connected. That's quite crazy, since it seems like it's coming straight out from the engine. Out to nothing. And I have to find the cover. Where did I put that one? Now I have connected the wires here again. I take away the system that was put on this wire and just put it straight up as it's supposed to. There. At least that is back where it's supposed to be, with the wires just moved over. Yeah, I'm just trying to start it. It started up very easy. Straight away. But I have a lot of vacuum things completely wrong here. So I just have to start plugging some of it. And then it changed wire, but now it's on the old wires, old spark plugs. Yeah. So it's at least it's hope for the engine. Yeah, just plugged up a lot of things and it's no change, at least not for the worse. I just have to try to find out. I should have found a repair book for this engine. Maybe it will tell me where the vacuum is supposed to go, because it's at least is completely screwed up. And this is with the old spark plugs on old wires. Yeah, at least I was changing the rotor and the top over it, but it's a lot of vacuum that I don't understand where to go, a lot of piping I don't understand where it's supposed to go. So I have to find out about that, because it's lots of things that's completely messed up and I don't understand why. So I have to see if I can find more information or someone to look at it with me, or if I just have to deliver it to a repair place and they point out the problems. But it would have been very nice to find someone who know what to talk about, and we could look at another car and check up, because yeah, it's the automatic transmission. It could be broken, but it could be some vacuum or somewhat, I'm not sure. It's kind of stupid to use a lot of money and not be able to fix it, and then yeah, so you just have to see. So at least I have done a little thing, and I didn't want to change the spark plugs and the spark plug wires before I was seeing that I get the other top there right. Don't want to make myself more problem than necessary. At least I blocked off a lot of vacuum was going straight out. It's kind of crazy. Vacuum hoses completely open. Of course something is wrong. Yeah, please come back. Please see some of the other videos. I have too many cars. I have to start to sell more, because this is too much for a moment. I have one boy who's trying to go into the national team in basketball, U16, so we are traveling a lot for a moment. So, trying every small second I have to do some small things with the cars and make some small videos. Please come back. Please follow the channel. Please put a like and write some comment. If you have some ideas, some place I could see some videos maybe, or some place on the net I can see where everything's supposed to go, then make me happy. So, thank you.